Hi, welcome to Sarah's Cookery Tips. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make some shortcrust pastry for cakes. So without further ado, let's cook on. So what we're going to need today is 125 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of caster sugar, 60 grams of butter, I've used unsalted, and 1 egg and some water. Okay, so first up in the bowl you're going to be putting your plain flour in, then add in the pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of caster sugar. Also adding in the 60 grams of butter, I've used unsalted. Again, you can use salted, but I've chosen to use this one. And give it a good mix to a crumble effect. So it's like breadcrumbs. Now I'm only using the yolk of the egg in this, not the full egg. So just the yolk going in. And then we're adding little water at a time, not too much. Less is more, as they say. So we're going to mix that in. And then we keep adding the water gradually, only little at a time, because we don't want the mixture to become sloppy. We want it to become nice and firm. Starts to come together, you'll just know how much to put in. So there you go, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to make the shortcrust pastry for cakes. If you did, I'd appreciate it with a like and a subscribe. Thanks very much, see you soon.